doing something really cool. We're gonna be doing doggy dinner. Have y'all ever heard of doggy dinner? No, I just made it up. That's why y'all never heard of it. So, let's get to it. Okay, first I need my peanut butter. Now, I'm gonna get my spoon. No, I'm just kidding, I didn't do that. I'm gonna get this dog food and I'm just going to put it in there and okay guys, I'm just gonna go in I'm gonna go in fast mode, so I'm just gonna put it on. Okay guys. So now that I have that much dog food, actually I need a little more dog food. Actually, a lot more dog food. There we go. Just a sec, guys. There we go. Oh, yeah. So now we have our dog food in. We're gonna take our handy dandy spoon. Oh my gosh, dog food's already stuck to it. Now we're gonna take some water as gravy. This is weird gravy, but it's gonna get better. Once we get started, it's gonna get way better. So I'm using my chocolate milk that I used from the other video, and you just mix the peanut butter, the peanut bud, and the Wawa, and you just mix it up. So I'm just gonna mix some more of that, some more batch of that, because I really want to do that. So while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna entertain y'all. Here's a fact. Did y'all know that my dog Bandit does not like peanut butter, so I didn't know if y'all knew that. But yeah. And I love just cooking for my dogs. It's really fun to just sit down and just make random dishes. And guys, this is totally safe for your dogs. I would not do a video of cooking for dogs if it was not safe. But yeah. So now that I have my little blazes, we're gonna add extra water. You got that? So we're just gonna add some extra water. That's going to make it really non-chunky. So I'm just gonna take my thing and I'm just, whatever you call it, just gonna do that. Then once I have that, it needs to be a good texture like gravy. See how that looks like gravy? Well, now it's just peanut butter and water. So I'm just going to put it over the dog food in the bowl. Dog food over in the bowl, and feel free to pause the video to put it on. And it looks really good. And see, you just take your spoon like this, and then with my dog food, I'm just going to, if you feed ducks, if you feed ducks, you hold it and you go like that. Well, that's what you're basically doing with the spoon. So it's probably gonna get stuck to you, and then once you feed it to your dog, you're like, oh my gosh, it's not like good anymore. So once you have that, we're gonna put, what was this? In here, and we're just gonna mix that up. And guys, don't worry if you run out, it's fine. When I was talking, it's fine. And yeah, so once I have that, it's since I gave it the peanut butter and the peanut butter water. Can any of y'all guess why I put peanut butter? Tick tock. You have 1 minute to guess. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, that wasn't 1 minute, but it was like 30. It was like 10 seconds. So let's get on. So, now that we have, it looks very gross at the first, but you're like, wow, it's a fail, but it's not really a fail. That's how it's supposed to look. And just get your gravy, and once you're done mixing it, can anybody guess why I put the peanut butter in? Tick tock, okay, the time's up. I put the peanut butter in because dogs are more interested in it, because they're like, I don't know what this is, and they're more interested in knowing what it was, so that makes it just a little more exciting for your dogs, because I know your dogs are going to be like, give me this just every day. See, my dog Pepper is like right under me like right now. It's like, just give me some. Oh, he likes it. He loves it. My dog Pepper's like under me like, okay, more please. Give me it. Here. Oh my gosh, they're spoiled. I feed him with a spoon. Pepper, you love it. Wow. My dogs love it. Like my dog's right here. I'm peeing him. My dog's right here down here, like trying to like eat it all, so yeah, he's really interested in what I am feeding. See, my dog's right here. He's like, I'm very interested in what you are feeding me. What are you feeding me? And yeah, he was interested, so. No, now he's walking away. Oh, he's coming back. And dogs love this for dinner. It's not dinner time, but it's different. It's not dinner time, but I don't really care. Dogs can eat it very rarely, like any time. And dogs love it, so that's pretty all. So, bye guys.